Hi, Miss Jelin. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi sir, my name is Jillian Moda. I am 34 years old from General Santa City, Philippines. I am single.
Do you have kids?
Yes sir, I have two children, boy and girl, ages 10 and 12 years old.
Who will take care of your children if you come to Singapore?
My parents sir,
How many siblings do you have?
I have four siblings. I have three brothers and one sister, and I am the third child in the family.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am a college undergraduate, sir. I didn't finish my college because of financial problem.
Do you have overseas experience?
Yes, sir. I have overseas experience in Saudi Arabia from April 2024 from to July 2025. I work in a couple employer with five with one children and ages 5 years old. I do household chores. And also I have work experience in Philippines from January to 2021 to January 2023. I worked to a couple employer with three children, 7 and 12 and 10 years old. I do household chores.
Did you finish your contract?
No, sir, I didn't finish my contract in Saudi Arabia because of my abusive employer. In Philippines, I finished my contract.
How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, kind, and loyal.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Why do you want to go abroad?
Because of I want to help my family to earn money.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Could you sing me a nursery song?
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Are you scared of cat or dogs?
No, sir.
Give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums.
I will talk to them in a calm voice.
Say something to your future employer to hire you.
My future employer, if you're going to hire me, I'll promise I will finish my contract and I will treat you like my own family. Thank you.